There's so many lights, I think we can turn off the main field so I can still see something. Don't actually do that, we would not be able to see.
Oh, they are. They're going to swear.
I just want to dance with them. Why are you taking a picture of this? Why not? Get the other hand. It is a lot. You're supposed to learn about that history.
I do realize when I'm driving, I have my mouth slightly ajar a lot.
That's how I was.
I'm like,
Just leave it ajar now so like a little bit of juice comes down. And you're like, as it flows because you're freaking out about getting it.
I'm a little like, there's your ick. Actually, I talked to Ty about this, being rude to customer service employees. That's actually top of the list.
Mine is not being rude to customers.
3, 2, 1, go!
And that marks the start of match number 56 with movement from both sides of the field as robots try to score.
The man's dead center.
No! Okay,
It's
well,
okay.
let's put it up high.
It's better.
Yeah. We still scored 2.
Moving into tally off, we have a score of 40 to 26 in favor of the Blue Alliance.
Spit.
They'll change soon.
Get that cone?
48 scores
Okay.
moves quickly as Gabe tries to traverse the charge station.
Yep, you're good. Come on.
I just have mostly.
That would not have been our fault.
I would hope not.
Turn left.
Go high, go high.
Turn left.
I'm going as far as I can.
Back up a little bit. Good.
You're good.
2791 enters the computer to score a
Let them
cone.
get that.
And Team Elite
You can get that
goes
cone
to
now.
load station to
Okay,
grab
flip it.
the
Oh, no.
Flip it back.
Sorry.
Go cube mode. Go further. Good. In it. Got it.
Oh, where?
Never mind. Good old Levi.
Well, it's okay.
Oh, no. Yeah, you got it.
Pirates are bringing a cone
Never do it.
into their community
We're good.
to score.
Okay, go mid right.
I'm just going to go left.
Elite works to score another cone.
That's your right.
Left, right. Well, I'm glad it all works out in the end.
And then bring it over to their
Our left.
Team Elite has a cone in possession. And
Good.
another link, bringing their score
Push them out of your
to
way.
4 links for the Blue Alliance.
Okay, no, they're good.
Robots are going back to their loading station.
Get a cone, and then we're gonna cover your mid middle right one.
Lines up their cone and
Oh, I can't. I don't want to go up that. Flip.
getting
Oh.
an extra
Yeah,
link
you're fine.
to their
Go
line.
mid?
Yeah, don't go left.
About 45
Where now?
Yeah, go to cubes. Now.
Continue to score as 1100 tries to the charge station and brings
We're at 30 seconds, just so you know. So score this one low, and then get on the bridge.
I'm going to just go over.
Oh wait, no. Score this one here. Score it here.
Wait, where?
Wait, no, right where you were. Right where
Okay.
you were. Yeah. Go get one more.
A bit of a in the middle of the field.
And then score it on the far right, and then get on. Guys, get on the bridge.
As 1058 holds down the
Yeah.
charge station for their team
Okay,
members.
far right. Get on.
Right there, go.
Go. Get on.
The charge station with them.
You got
hopefully they
6. You got
balance
6.
time.
Slowly.
Same
You
goes
got
with
it.
no lines with 3, 2, 1.
Hey, those are fouls.
That's the end of match 56. Stay tuned for the results.
BBC whack. Hey, very curious. We had weird issues. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I believe we won. Yeah, 124 to 87. So we're good. But
We didn't get the
Huh?
He lost an eye.
I think it meant we did. I was like, on the robot?
that's a play, yeah. At least from the shoulder.
actually.
The score of 149 to 117.
So we're still going to have a ranking score of 3.
Ranking point.
It's just our...
How did that not work?
Our average match score should go up.
Doesn't look like it went anywhere.
It's because it hasn't counted the match yet.
Was that our 6th match?
Yeah, that was our 6th.
Oh.
We only have 1 tonight.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was 5 today and 2 tomorrow.
Yeah. 1 to 1. One freaking cone. That's all I wanted.
We can't do
It's not your fault.
11 is quite a few.
The one partner, they had the cone in their grasp, and they just could not get their arm to go up. It was in the spot. John wants to know, can't we just drive in, or wait, Trevor, just wants to know, can't we drive into the other community and score the community points for them?
We technically can.
As long as we don't touch them.
Exactly. Or de-score their pieces.
If we were one of those shooting robots,
But it would be just as
But you
difficult
can't
as
shoot
scoring
from
another
outside
one.
of their community, so.
Well, no, because you just make stuff up from your own. Logan's, you're a lot closer.
no, because you can shoot things in your loading zone.
No, you can't.
I think we're allowed to shoot.
Not only
Thank you. I like sneezed and it hurt my side.
So aggressive, gosh.
Sorry.
I mean, the cones are heavier, so
you
just
missed
longer
it.
cones.
Sarah was having sneezing fits in the van.
I didn't take my own.
Golly, those are so aggressive. Can you please stop?
Oh yeah, I heard that. No, and then Zoe just straight up started like yelling at me at one point. I lost it because that's when I was like loopy from having no sleep.
Sarah had 12 whole M&Ms and 3 whole Mambas yesterday.
Yeah.
And she was bouncing off the wall.
No, it was because I didn't have sleep.
Like mini M&Ms?
No, like the pretzel ones, where it's like they look like gumballs.
Oh.
Maybe if you're a small
I'm very small. Yes.
squirrel.
I am small.
Oh, Alex Kane.
He says Kane. You can have canes. I'm going to Longhorn.
That's you do what you want, but
You
Kane.
need to set a time where
Alex.
like we all break
You never
out,
did
you
explain
have
how is this a
chaperones,
better position for us?
then you gotta
Yeah.
get back at a certain time to get back.
Yeah. The time is going to be however long it takes me to eat a steak.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay.
It sounds like he doesn't need scouting data.
What? So, hey, question. Do we need to scout the rest of the matches today?
Yes, today.
Really? Are you
You
sure?
realize that runs to 7, right?
Do we need 45 extra minutes of scouting data?
It would be nice. There's a lot of good teams yet to play.
But anyway,
From their loading area.
did you see the scoreboard?
125. Another code. Highest level.
They intentionally
They intentionally didn't do co-op.
Robot Spider Speed does the same for the Red Alliance.
What the hell are you looking at me for?
I know. Yeah, I'm aware. You don't accidentally miss co-op like that. Yeah. Yeah, especially when your auto placement is for the low cone on the one right next to it.
What? You did what? Screamer?
Yeah, that was a really
The
good
only
scene
thing
with
we
that
was like the
cone that sneaked
yeah,
up to
pivoting
you.
to the cone and Wyndham was
Picked it
struggling.
right up and then you immediately went to the high end right there.
The center of the field. Neutron 92.
Wait, what?
Them giving that separate cube on accident worked out really well. Because someone was blocking
I
the
forgot.
station, and when they did it, they went up, they scooped it, and then they got it right there, they drove straight over and they spit it out. And it was really
Then everything I learned in conversation still has merit. If it did that,
It looked, no,
it's
because
like, of course you go from the
they can't put it into the
system. Okay.
yeah, the dot does not count towards our
See, that's
I
why
just looked over and I did my
I would've
mind.
felt bad.
Oh, okay. You were like death here. Oh. There's gonna be a long footage of your